Ever wonder what paradise looks like through the eyes of a supermodel? Let's take a look at Heidi Klum and Tom Kaulitz's recent getaway, uh, trading snowy New York for the sun-drenched shores of St. Barths. This couple knows how to make a splash. The Caribbean island welcomed Heidi and Tom with temperatures soaring into the high 80s. And Heidi, she embraced the warmth with her signature confidence, basking in the glow of the sun and the company of her husband. And it would picture that we could probably begin as they had playground with Heidi and Tom, enjoying a carefree day of laughter and relaxation. And um, they weren't afraid to let loose, frolicking in the waves and soaking up the island vibes. Um, a simple beer in hand, a radiant smile on her face. Heidi seemed completely at ease. The couple shared sweet moments hand in hand, exploring the coastline and creating lasting memories. The day was all about embracing freedom and enjoying each other's company. Heidi opted for a minimal look, a mocha string bikini that allowed her to fully embrace the sun's rays. Their idyllic day was soon joined by longtime friend and photographer Antoine Vergois, adding to the joyful atmosphere. The trio shared a drink in the water, making the moment even more special. Their romance blossomed in March 2018, quickly captivating the public eye. A passionate kiss at a launch party signaled the start of something special, and their connection deepened rapidly. By December of the same year, Tom had proposed, and just months later, they exchanged vows in a private ceremony. A grand celebration in Capri, Italy, followed, solidifying their commitment. Uh, um, Heidi isn't just a wife and model, she's a mother to four children. She shares a daughter, Lenny, with Flavio Briatore, and sons Henry, Johan, and Lou with her ex-husband, Seal. Um, she also embraced her role as a stepmother, wholeheartedly supporting Tom and their blended family. Um, the couple prioritized creating a loving and supportive environment for all their children. Um, Known for her bold and confident spirit, Heidi has never shied away from embracing her body. Uh, she openly shares her love for sun-kissed skin and refuses to apologize for embracing her natural beauty. In a recent interview, Heidi revealed her strategic approach to canning. Um, she prioritizes avoiding tan lines, ensuring that she looks her best in any outfit. Um, Sun's out, buns out, she playfully stated. But it's not just about confidence. Heidi also prioritizes her health and fitness. She maintains a balanced diet and stays active, ensuring she feels her best both inside and out. She believes in the power of home cooked meals and staying mindful of what she consumes. Uh, she loves healthy food and enjoys staying fit and active, avoiding sluggishness and embracing vitality. So what's the secret to Heidi's radiant glow? A combination of confidence, self-love, and a commitment to living life to the fullest. And maybe a little bit of sun, sea, and sand. She joked about her dedication to a perfect tan, saying, I like to have Hans and Franz on a good display. It's clear she doesn't take herself too seriously and embraces life with a playful spirit.
Is this
With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.